How to add user profiles to your app. First, click on Extension Store, then select all extensions. Next, type auth in the search bar, then click on Authentication. Click the Install button. The Community tab will appear, confirming that the extension was successfully installed. Make sure to unlock the restrictions so users can access your application, unless you want to keep it private and restrict access to all or certain features. Next, click on Settings and go to the Registration Process section. Here, you can toggle Allow access to your app without signing up if you wish to. Click Save, then go to User Profile. Here, you can enable all social media platforms and toggle on Display Push Notifications History. Then, you can edit or add any other fields you wish to include in your user profiles. Click Save when you're done. Lastly, click Update Now to ensure your app reflects all changes. Thank you for watching.